press 2. Let me review how to use a calculator so that you guys can make sure that you did well on the assignments for this week. Yesterday, or one of the days this week, I wasn't able to get the video to work right. So I just posted the key and I gave you the steps that you were supposed to write at the top of your paper. But let me just go over those again, and then hopefully by me going through them, you'll be able to do them. So it's pretty much just knowing how to type in fractions into the calculator. So every time you want to type in a fraction or a mixed number, you have to press this math button. And then from that menu, you're going to go backwards to frac, because that stands for fraction. So you arrow backward. If I want to type in a fraction, I would press 1. If I want to type in a mixed number, I'll press 2. If I had already gotten my answer and I noticed that the top number is bigger than the bottom number, I would press 4 to change it to a mixed number. So let's say, for example, we want to type in 1/2, so 1. I'm hoping you guys can see this real good. Over 2. And then you have to arrow out of it. See how I use these to type them in. If I need a plus sign, and then I was adding a mixed number to it, I go back to math, and I press 2 this time, because now I can type in a whole number and a fraction. Let's say it's 2 over 5. Enter my final answer. The top number is bigger than the bottom number. So that's when I know, okay, let me go back and make it into a mixed number. And so your final answer is actually 3 9/10. So that's pretty much what you do. There is one that I didn't make mention of. If the fraction is negative, make sure you use this key. If you use any keys that should not be used, it'll give you an error message. That's how you know that you probably pressed the wrong key. So you go backwards to fraction, you'll press in, and then you'll just say, hey, I want a -3 over 4. And sometimes you can even put the negative in front of the fraction. So you can even type the negative sign before you go to math. And let's say this time we want to do a mixed number. Now, these are not actual problems in your book. I'm just kind of going through them. The first day I've already shown you guys how to type in a fraction and to get those done. Okay, so then now we have the top number is bigger than the bottom number, so then you go and you change it to a mixed number. So that's how you do those. And I hope that. And so today's lesson is pretty straightforward. You're just typing in to get your answer. Even though when I get back, I am going to kind of show you how you would want to know how to do this without the calculator, the decimals. But for today, you just type those in and you get your answers.